snake gon' eat a snake. Half of these niggas fake, I can see it in their face. I can't relate. Free my guys, free my niggas. The same niggas was there from day one, cause they some hitters. I gotta roll a blunt cause I had a bad day. I gotta roll a blunt, I do that every day. Free my guys, free my niggas, cause they my hitters. Free my guys, free my niggas, cause they my hitters. Remember Rello, that's my brother. Same father, different mother. I ain't starter, I used to whip a butter. Blunts in the ashtray, smoking all day. Hustle all day, get cake like my father did. My daddy was in the streets, he was a go-getter. Could tell you what he do, but folks still to fuck with him. I'm ballin', slightly. I'm tryna feel like I should be endorsed by Nike. I can't ball how I really want to when I got people to feed. I got bills and fees. Look, they don't understand what a nigga go through. They don't understand unless a nigga show you. Ferraris in a fast lane, that's on my brain. Think about that all the time. I don't pray for money, I go get that all the time. Just tryna get a bigger bag. Can I brag? Dog gon' eat a dog, snake gon' eat a snake. Over half of these niggas fake, I can see it in their face. Free my guys, free my niggas, cause they my hitters. Free my guys, free my niggas, cause they my hitters. Dog gon' eat a dog, a snake gon' eat a snake. Over half of these niggas fake, I can see it in their face. Free my guys, free my niggas, cause they my hitters.
Free all my niggas.
Free my guys, free my niggas, cause they my hitters.
We be chasing the check on the regular. Smoking this weed is not medical. These bitches be wanting the pedicure, but we not paying that shit for none of them. Free all of my uncles and brother them. We do this for all of our fucking kin. If he ain't real, then we can't fuck with him. That's why we really don't fuck with them. Only the Squire GK, you know they my niggas. And you know you don't wanna come in, fuck with them hitters. And when my squad going in, they can't really fuck with us. We just tryna count them bands and get to the fucking figures. My niggas be off of the fucking juice. You know we be gone when we all up in the group. These niggas know we feeling like the realest in the room. We don't really give a fuck if these niggas can't keep it true. If they really wanna go, the motherfucker bust a move. Cause my niggas go to war and it will never be a truce. We be drinking on the drink, so we gonna pop the goose. Man, I'm tryna get my mind right and feel a little loose. But I know that a dog
gon' eat a dog, snake gon' eat a snake. Half of these niggas fake, I can see it in their face. I can't relate. Free my guys.